Now, I'm going to come into the car. Make sure that your hot and cold lights work, just in case there is an air bubble and it gets over hot. So we're going to start it up. So the cold light's on. And then we're going to come over here. I'm going to turn off the AC. And we're going to set it to heat. And we're going to let it run until it gets warm. And once the cold light goes out, you should start feeling heat out of the vents. And if you don't, give it a little bit of gas and it should purge some bubbles out of the cooling system. So I'm going to come back when this gets heated up. So the cold temperature light just went out. I'm getting good heat out of the vents. So at this point, you're going to leave it running. I like to turn this all the way down to 1. And then I like to leave it running until the radiator fan kicks on. So the radiator fans have kicked on, so it's nice and hot. So it's completely up to temperature. Let those cycle on and off 1 or 2 times, and then go ahead and turn the car off. Go ahead and let the car cool off for probably an hour or so, because you don't want to take this cap off right away. It's under pressure and the coolant's hot and you can easily get burned. So wait about an hour, then come back out and we'll check the levels. So after the car is cooled down again, you're going to want to take the radiator cap back off. Careful, there might be a little pressure if you didn't let it cool long enough. And you're going to check to see the coolant level. In this case, it's nice and full right to the top. If it's a little low, most of the time it'll only be like an inch low. Just add a little coolant in here. Put the cap back on and double check that this is at the max line, and this is. So most of the air must have been out of mine already, and then you're done. Your coolant's changed and you can drive another 5 years or 60,000 miles.